I'll get that sick follow footage.
I'll do the Australian commentary.
Australian commentary?
Oh my god, baby, the bloody London body missing! Holy bloody miracle!
What does a giant squid say when he pops out of the ocean? It's cracking.
Oh my god.
Why did the dough go to McDonald's? Oh, look at the buck menu. No.
Hi, my name is Moose and I'm an alcoholic.
Yeah?
Hi, Moose. Alright, come here. We're gonna do dad jokes to decide the teams. Best dad joke wins.
Oh shit!
Want to hear a joke?
Yeah.
So do I.
Alright, good dad joke. Here you go. What kind of dog does an electrician own? What? A Wattweiler. I think his was better. I think his was better. Oh, come on!
What kind of bullshit?
I think his was better. Okay. Alright, you want bands or no bands?
No bands.
Damn it!
Number one time. Hey, what? Jeez, dude. Aiden, I'm gun hitting this dude behind the fence. A bunch of. Never mind. There he goes.
Okay.
Sorry. Watch it, guys. They're shooting over here. They know. Kim, where's?
Go away!
Oh my god. Ah! You ever been tabletop? That's almost what happened.
Hello, officer. How are you doing that? I said go away!
That hurt. I just shot that dude in the face. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Come on, man. Thank you. Whoa! Hey, watch out.
Once you step inside of it with the bomb, you guys basically win. Please do not throw the bombs. If you're going to hand them off to somebody, simply hand them. If you guys die with the bomb, simply set it down or walk all the way back to your spawn or hand it off to an adjacent teammate that is next to you. Defenders, you guys cannot enter the White House. You guys can set up a defensive perimeter around it, but you guys cannot step inside. If you are inside, I'll give you 3 seconds to get out. If you're not out within those 3 seconds, I will make you take a respawn. Defenders, you guys have 2 lives and 1 respawn. Attackers, you guys have 3 lives and 2 respawns. The reason I give attackers 1 more respawn is because it is obviously harder to attack than it is to defend. 1 more rule for defenders, you guys cannot cross this die right here. This die is the defender's boundary of crossing. You guys cannot go anywhere on this side of the field when you guys are defending.
Pretty cool. Sounds honestly badass. Okay, I got it real low.
I'm behind you.
Okay, I'm gonna push up to that cover right there.
Oh my.
Dylan, toss me a nade. I'm gonna see if I can yeet it into that building. Is this dangerous? Could this go off on me?
Dude, I don't want to be near that. One less. Ow!
So I later found out that it wasn't one person whose parachute got tangled, it was actually two people that collided, and so one guy's parachute was still fully inflated and the other one was a bit of a streamer. The good news is they did hit the ground pretty hard, but they both turned out totally fine, just cuts and bruises.
Oh, holy crap! Whoa, that's not good.
He didn't want to get hit by this whole car.
Look, someone's tangled. Someone's chute isn't open.
No, what? That's oh shit. It's like a package. Care package?
No way. Oh, you guys did.
That's crazy. I hope that's a package, otherwise that's someone tangled.
Easiest to run it up this way.
It looks clear. I'm going for it. Never mind.
That guy.
Can you cover
is
that
right
guy?
there.
Can
I'm
you
trying,
pin him
dude. I swear I've hit him.
Give him press the fire. Where is he? He's right behind that cover right over there. And we got another guy. He's building all the way at the end.
Hey, look out! Right over there! Right on the other side of the box! Other side of the box!
I'm going for it. Watch your fire, watch your fire. I'm going for it. I'm going through.
Oh, shit, my bad. Hey, can you guys watch my back? Make sure they don't push me. I'm hit. He hit my gun.
So this group of these 3 or 4 Chinese dudes ended up showing up later in the day, and they were super into the game, just yelling, going nuts. It was really, really funny. So these next few clips are me and Storm just cracking up and having a good time.
It's not fun to get covered.
Reload.
Whatever he said, yeah.
I'm moving up to him.
Come here. Point. Hey, bro.
You want to move to the motorhome?
Yep. Enemy on top. Enemy on top.
Oh, you're right. Hang on. I got him.
Yeah, I'm taking him off.
Alright. He ducked. He's hiding. If you want to move, now's the time. He's hiding. Go. Hello there. He's hit.
I'm moving to the right side over here.
Go. Cover you. What's that about?
Can I GoPro recording? Is there like a red light or anything?
I don't see it.
Thank you guys very much for watching. I have an awesome video coming up with Storm and Airsoft Alphonse. Hopefully that'll be going up in about a week. I got to play with him yesterday and it was really, really awesome. So look forward to that, and I'll see you soon.
Out.
I don't know what the fuck happened.